Welcome. Today we'll be looking at Diino, a service that does both cloud backup and cloud storage. This review is brought to you by Technology Advice and the Smart Advisor tool, which lets you compare 50 cloud backup and storage companies in under 2 minutes. Diino has a file storage and file backup interface. While usually services specialize in either automatic backup like Mozy or Carbonite, or focus on file syncing and sharing like Copy or Dropbox, Diino attempts to do both. We'll look at their syncing and storage part first. Right here, the File tab, you can navigate to that, and the interface is not quite as modern as some of the other services. It's not drag and drop, so click Upload. Click this green button for Add File. Find our test document. Click Upload. Wait for that to go. And then the file will appear in this pretty basic interface. You can share files with people. Go into this little tab here, clicking it, and going to Send a Link. Then you can enter email recipients and a message to them. You can't password protect it right here, but it does say that it will expire after 7 days or 10 uses, which is some security on that link, but if you send it to the wrong person, they will be able to download whatever you send. Then you can go to the Backup tab, which is where you'll be able to see any backups that you've initiated and completed. And you'll need a desktop client to start your backups. They provide links which kind of go over exactly how to do that and how to set up and configure the client, which is nice. It's like a little built-in tutorial. And it's pretty straightforward. It's just going to back up your whole computer by default, and you can tailor that to just some folders if you want. And once you run the backup once across your whole computer, then it will automatically save any additional changes you make to your documents. So that's pretty straightforward. The whole interface is relatively basic. And again, it's not drag and drop. The pros of Diino, there are not file size limits on individual files. It's nice if you're sharing large files or uploading big individual files. There's a 30-day free trial that comes with 100 gigabytes of storage, which is a large amount for you to test out and test out a backup of your whole computer. And they offer backup clients for Linux, Mac, and Windows computers. The downsides, Diino, the links as you saw are not password protected. So that might be a concern for some businesses, or if you're sending them to a lot of different people and you really want to control who can see what you send, just that extra layer of security. The interface, as you saw, is a little outdated. It's a little slow for file sharing and syncing. It can't compete with offerings like Dropbox or Copy, just on the usability and looks front. And they don't have 24/7 customer support. That might be a big deal if you're a business, especially if you're using it to back up all of your computers. Before you make any decision, however, you should go to technologyadvice.com and use their Smart Advisor tool. You can compare over 50 cloud backup and storage companies in under 2 minutes. Thanks for watching this overview of Diino.